how to add music in Microsoft Clipchamp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your videos from Microsoft Clipchamp. Let's dive right in. Open up the app and then tap on create a new video and then choose the video by importing media. So choose the video where you want to add the music, just drag it to the timeline, and then you can see the audio option in the right hand side. Just tap on it and then just slide this audio to 0%. Now to add music, go to your left hand side and tap on music. So you will see a list of available music on Clipchamp. You can just listen to the preview, or you can even search for the audio of your choice. And then after you like it, just tap on the plus icon and add it to the timeline. And the music will be added to your video. It's as simple as that. If you don't want it, you can just tap on it and then you can remove it as well. So just right click and then hit delete, and then you can add another music. And there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.